No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dawn.
Hey guys, so in today's video I decided to film a vlog. I've honestly been so obsessed with vlogs recently and I've been so inspired to vlog. I definitely want to vlog a lot this summer. I feel like that would be so much fun. So definitely stay tuned for all the summer content. As you can see, I'm very excited for summer. But yeah, today is May 19th and it is literally so hot out, and I'm starting this vlog at exactly 4 o'clock. And today is such a beautiful day out. I think we're gonna go out somewhere. I honestly have no idea where we're going, but I really wanted to vlog and take you guys along, so we get to find out together. Also, you guys, I made some homemade lemonade. It's so good. Lemonade is the best drink in the summer. As you can see, I'm literally almost done with it because I'm just obsessed. Ollie, come here. Look who came to visit. So it is 5:31 and we're about to leave, so let's go. So we just made it to a boardwalk beach kind of place and it honestly looks super cool. The sky is literally so blue, it looks so perfect, and you could literally see the moon. It's so cool. And welcome to day 2 of this vlog. So right now I'm just hanging out outside. The weather has been so beautiful lately. It's just starting to feel like summer. Well, I'm just obsessed with summer. But anyways, we're about to walk to get some ices and I'm very excited about that. Also, you guys, the sky is so blue right now. And our rose bush is blooming. It's so pretty. But anyways, why do I feel like my neighbors are staring at me? Let's go get some ices. So we just got back from getting our ices. So we got chocolate, mango with raspberry, peanut butter cookie dough, and chocolate chunks. I got the mango raspberry one, and I am so excited to eat this. Schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousin like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. So right now it is 7:18, and right now I'm just going to get some editing done. So let's go edit. Don't drink it! Ollie, stop drinking it! So right now it is 8:11 and we're about to have some dinner, and then after dinner we are going to watch the Friends reunion. Friends is my favorite show and I'm so excited. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!